Along with introducing myself, I thought it would be really fun if we could read our first story together. So today I'm going to read you the story Off to Kindergarten, and this will tell you about this little boy and his friends and some of the things they do to get ready for school. This book was written by Tony Johnston. He is the author. He wrote the words, and it's illustrated by Melissa Sweet. She is the illustrator, so she drew all the pictures. Here we go. Off to Kindergarten. Are you excited to start kindergarten? I'm off to kindergarten now. I'd better take my bear. He likes to sit beside me, so I'll take a little chair. A pillow will be handy too, in case we need a nap. So we will not be cranky heads. There's nothing worse than that. Do you think you need to bring a bear and a chair and a pillow to kindergarten? No. I'll pack a cookie for myself, one for my teacher too, and one for all my brand new friends, or maybe even two. I'll lug a lot of milk along in case we all get dry from gobbling all those cookies down and shrivel up. Oh my! We do like treats. Don't bring your teddy bear, but you can bring treats. We're actually going to have snack time every day, so everyone will get to bring a snack and a drink from home. I've got to have some books to read while I enjoy my snack. I'll pile mine up like pancakes, then I'll pull the wobbly stack. I can't forget to take my mud. I'll write it on the list. For mud's what everybody loves, to mush and gush and squish. You do not need to bring mud to kindergarten. I'm going to bring my easel and my paints and paint a tree with giant smelly flowers and a giant bumblebee. Look at the bumblebee he painted. How many of you like to draw and color and paint? Mrs. Jameson loves to draw and color and paint. We're going to do lots of art projects in kindergarten this year. I'll take my backhoe with a scoop to dig holes dirtily. I'll bring some moles along because moles like to dig with me. How many of you like to play with cars and trucks and tractors? Good. My robot has come to school. His name is Techno Tim. He walks around as stiff as starch, and I can walk like him. Let me see you guys. Can you walk like your robot? Stiff like a robot. I guess I'll need my sandbox so that I can make a fort to crawl inside with all my friends and jump in and cavort. We do not have sandboxes at Kelly Elementary School, but we do have a really big, fun playground. It has giant flowers on it that are as tall as trees. I need a bunch of nice clean clothes for when I'm caked with sand, 'cause otherwise I'll itch all day, and itching is not grand. If you want to pack an extra pair of clothes in your backpack for the first day, that is okay. Sometimes we have little accidents, and that happens. We do have a bathroom right here in our classroom, though, so that should help. Oh gosh, I nearly left behind my super set of swings. I'll swoop the kindergarten sky and soar like I have wings. I think I'd better get a truck to haul my stuff to school and moving men to load it up. I'll give them cookies too. Look at all of the stuff he wants to bring to the first day of kindergarten. My mother says, you don't need all these things, my little Bill. Your teacher will have everything. She will, I asked. She will. And Mrs. Jameson's going to have lots of goodies. You can see behind me here. Everyone's going to have their own cubby. And I've started putting your folders and crayons and pencils and all those good things in there for you. I leave my piles of stuff at home. I sing out doodle-dee. I'm off to kindergarten now, and all it takes is me. And that is the end. So I can't wait to see all of you in a few days. I hope you have a great, great rest of your summer. All right, and please have your grown-ups email me a picture of you and a picture of you and your family so I can put them up in our classroom. Bye-bye.